Second shooter for the Avs, Nathan MacKinnon. No goals so far in the shootout. MacKinnon to the net, scores!
All about the speed that he approaches Samsonov. Goes to the backhand and then just pops it up and over the pad and under the glove with the forehand.
Almost seems like it was a change of pace type of shot that beat the goaltender.
Now Marner tries to extend the game for the Leafs. He does not. Georgiev got a stick on it. The Avalanche defeat the Maple Leafs in a shootout, 2-1. All three Leafs shooters thwarted. Nathan MacKinnon, who played 3.5 minutes in the 5-minute sudden death overtime, scores the only goal in the shootout for Colorado. Alexandar Georgiev with his 30th win of the season, extending his career high. Avalanche will head to Ottawa for a game tomorrow night. Leafs next in action Friday. They will host Carolina. Here's the last attempt by Marner. Georgiev pokes it away. Wild and Blues coming up next, right here on TNT.